Ever pondered on the role of Hamas in the Israeli-Palestinian conflict? What does this organization represent and how has it evolved over time? Today we delve into the intricate history and evolution of Hamas, a Palestinian political and military organization. Hamas, an acronym for Harakat al-Muqawama al-Islamiyya, meaning Islamic Resistance Movement, emerged in the late 1980s during the First Intifada, a period of intensified Israeli-Palestinian conflict. Initially, Hamas was an offshoot of the Egyptian Muslim Brotherhood, which had operated in Gaza for decades. In the early years, Hamas focused on social welfare, running schools, clinics, and mosques in the West Bank and Gaza. However, the group's ideology, rooted in Islamism and nationalism, soon drove it to armed resistance against Israeli occupation. A significant turning point for Hamas came in 1993, when Israel and the Palestine Liberation Organization signed the Oslo Accords, a peace treaty that Hamas vehemently opposed. The group's opposition to the Oslo Accords marked its transition from a primarily social and religious group to a major military and political force. Hamas has two main components, a political wing and a military wing named the Izz ad-Din al-Qassam Brigades. The military wing has been responsible for numerous attacks on Israeli military and civilian targets, while the political wing has sought to win hearts and minds through social services and political activity. In 2006, Hamas shocked the world by winning the Palestinian legislative elections, outperforming the established Fatah party. This victory led to a power struggle between Fatah and Hamas, resulting in the latter gaining control of the Gaza Strip in 2007. Hamas's control over Gaza has been fraught with challenges. The organization has been involved in multiple conflicts with Israel, leading to devastating humanitarian consequences. Its governance has also been marked by internal repression and human rights abuses. Moreover, Hamas's international standing is complex. While some see it as a legitimate resistance movement fighting for Palestinian rights, many countries, including the US and the European Union, label it as a terrorist organization due to its use of suicide bombings and rocket attacks against Israel. In conclusion, Hamas is a multifaceted entity with a complex history. It began as a social and religious movement, evolved into a militant and political force, and is now a governing body in the Gaza Strip. Its methods and ideology have sparked controversy and conflict, but its influence on the Israeli-Palestinian issue is undeniable. As we move forward, the role of Hamas in the quest for peace remains a contentious and crucial question.